In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add blog to Shopify Store. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a polished blog post that helps you share news, tips, and updates with your customers right from your Shopify dashboard. A well-structured blog can boost trust, improve search visibility, and bring people back to your store. So let's make this quick and clear. Start by opening your Shopify store and signing in to your admin dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click Content. This is where Shopify groups the tools for articles and media. Next, click Blog. You'll see the area where your posts are organized, and this is the place you'll come back to whenever you want to add or update content. Now click Create Blog Post. This opens the editor for your new article. At the top, enter a clear, descriptive title. Think about what your audience is searching for and how you can help them. A strong title sets expectations and can encourage clicks when your post appears in search results or on your storefront. In the main content box, type everything about your content. This is your article body. Keep paragraphs short, use headings to break up sections, and write in your brand's voice. You can format text, add links to your products or collections, and make the post easy to scan. Aim to be helpful and specific so readers get real value from what you're sharing. Next, select an image to represent your post. A high-quality, relevant image helps draw attention and creates a professional look. If you can, choose a consistent size or style for your blog images so your blog index looks cohesive. Add descriptive alt text to help with accessibility and search engines. You can also edit the excerpt. This short summary appears in blog listings and sometimes in previews. Write a concise, compelling description that invites readers to click through without giving everything away. Before you finish, review other features on this page that may need to be edited. Add tags to help organize related posts and make filtering easier. Check options such as the author name, comment settings, and the search engine listing preview so your post displays the way you expect. Small details here can make a big difference in how your content is discovered and read. When everything looks good, click Save. That's it. You've added a blog post to your Shopify store. Keep a consistent posting schedule, revisit analytics to see what resonates, and refine your topics over time. Thanks for watching and happy publishing.